Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video. I got a new pair of shoes recently, past weekend actually, and I thought they were super sweet. Definitely a different kind of looking shoe. They're pretty funky, and this is why I decided to make a video for them. I haven't really been on like Instagram too much recently, so I don't know if these are like that hyped up or anything, but I've seen them selling on a few different websites and I saw that they're like sold out in a few spots. So yeah, I'd actually seen these online, just like scrolling through a random website. The first time I saw them, it kind of caught my eye just because they look kind of funky and they're like a really random brand. And then like the second time I saw them, I thought they're pretty sweet, but they didn't have my size, which I got lucky on because these run half a size big, so I would have ordered the wrong size. It was like a store this past weekend in store, and I decided to ask if they had my size. I got lucky because they had like half size down as well, so I was able to try on both. I said I was actually an 11.5 instead of a 12 with these. So yeah, definitely if you're gonna order these and can't try them on in person, go down half a size for sure. They're pretty wide and bulky. Yeah, I just want to show these quickly, and I'll probably put them on tomorrow. It's already like kind of evening time here, so you wouldn't be able to see the shoes that well when I put them on outside. I just want to go over them now, and then I'll throw them on tomorrow when there's like a little bit better lighting outside to kind of just show how they look. These are super bulky, so I would definitely just be wearing these with like loose pants and stuff like that. If you wore them with like slimmer pants, you might look kind of weird with huge feet. But yeah, I think they're super sweet. There's a few different colors that are out right now. I'm not sure what colors you can get. I guess it just depends on your size. There's like a red and like gray stitched kind of looking one that I thought were super sweet. I saw the black pair in person also, and I thought that was really cool, but I ended up going with like this olive pair. All right, and these are the shoes that I'm talking about. I don't know the exact name of these. I don't know if it's just like the Oakley factory team or if they have like a very specific model name. I have no clue, but I just thought these were super sweet. I saw them online and I was stoked to see them in person. And so I just have the olive pair here. This like olive area is kind of like a plasticky, soft suede material. I'm not sure what the exact material is, but that's how it feels. It's kind of like hard, but like soft, leathery suede at the same time. You have like this fat mesh tongue at the top. It's like a gray color. And then the sole is just this massive like wave looking thing that I'm not sure what vibes this gives me, but it's just a giant chunky sole that kind of goes out and around the whole shoe. You can see there, so when you're looking down, you can see the sole pretty wide. This is definitely like a pretty bulky shoe, but I've found that they're really comfortable so far. Yeah, you can see the sole is super chunky. You got a little Oakley logo at the bottom, and then you just got this Oakley logo on the side. That's just like a hard little plastic thing that I think looks pretty sweet on the side here. Yeah, I'm usually a size 12 in like everything that I wear, but I went with an 11.5 in these. I tried on the 12 also, and they were definitely like a little bit big, more in terms of like the width, I'd say. And then these are just a little bit less wide, and that's why these fit a little bit better. Yeah, on top, as far as everything I've said so far, the only other thing is that these like eyelet area just is hard plastic, and it kind of takes on like the same shape as a sole, which I think is pretty sweet. Yeah, other than that, like these are super basic in their own way. Just like a cool kind of chunky minimalist like silhouette. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching everyone. I definitely want to know what you guys think about these because they're just kind of like a different looking silhouette. And I guess Oakley is starting to release shoes now. I know that they have a different pair that I saw. They're like kind of a slip-on vibe, which weren't really my vibe, but I think they're cool for sure. But yeah, definitely let me know what your opinions are on these, or if you've gotten them also, and what you think about having them. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll definitely get to them. And yeah, I picked up a bunch of stuff recently over the past few weeks, and I'm planning on doing like a pickups video soon when everything kind of comes in. I'm gonna try to start uploading a little bit more consistently now. I kind of got all my like graduate school stuff done with, so I kind of know where I'm gonna end up now. Just kind of got to start looking for like an apartment and stuff. Thanks for watching, and if you've been enjoying my videos, definitely leave a like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing videos from me.